to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 53. And this might actually be the end of the just large amount of content I've been putting out. Not large amount, I think I have, because I'm actually filming this on the 28th of October, and it will be uploaded on the 15th of November. So you'll see this in November. So this was probably the last, I guess. I mean, I might upload another on the 20th, or have a video for the 20th. I don't know. I don't want to post too many videos, though. But, let's do System Test 50, because that's what we're doing. This should be the last test with this pull station. I'm not getting tired of it, but, I mean, it's gonna get annoying for y'all, if I use it more often. So, I'll be switching, I'll be switching this out. Then we got the LED Genesis horn strobe on remote strobe. You love to see it. Then we got my i3 and my low frequency sounder strobe. So, let's do, well, actually, before I really get into the video, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and if you're sensitive to strobe lights, don't watch this, because that's a strobe, and that's a strobe. Wow. So, alright, let's pull the fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now I gotta reset the pull station because that's how things work. Alright, that's reset. So, now we're gonna be doing the i3 above the bed, and I'll do the 2151 for the next video. I wonder if I can... No, I can't see the strobe under the door. Alright, so I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this interesting video, you know, fun little system test here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment wire cutters down below if you're still here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.